"The way life should be" is truly a motto that is befitting the state's most spectacular region, Moosehead Lake. Majestic mountains, hundreds of remote crystal clear ponds, and unbroken forests make this the place written about and sought after by early outdoors people seeking refuge from their busy lives in the city. On the edge of this nearly 2 million acre conserved wilderness is the Burnt Jacket Shores community, nestled on the shores of the 40-mile long by 20-mile wide Moosehead Lake, the main attraction of the Northeast. You can enjoy all of Maine's four-season outdoor activities from your cottage in Beaver Cove, Maine. While much of the region remains gloriously remote, Burnt Jacket at Moosehead Lake offers an easily accessible location in Beaver Cove, only 6 miles from Greenville. Portland is a 2.5-hour drive, while Bangor is 1.5 hours distant. Both have commercial air service. Once you're here, you'll be surrounded by the tranquil, natural beauty of Burnt Jacket at Moosehead Lake. Residential development is allowed in only a few places on Moosehead Lake. The Burnt Jacket Shores community has been carefully planned and reviewed to allow for a limited number of home sites to fit harmoniously with the natural environment. Your own piece of paradise is available now on the shores of Moosehead Lake. Just 5 minutes away is the picturesque town of Greenville, which offers regional airport services for quick transportation to Portland, Bangor, or any other small airport in the region. The town also houses health and emergency services, dining, shopping, grocery, and building supply centers. The area is home to a multitude of local craftsmen who can work with you to turn your dreams and ideas into reality. Moosehead Lake is considered the crown jewel of Maine. It is the largest lake in the state with over 74,000 acres and 232 miles of shore frontage. The lake and its watershed is classified by state agencies as outstanding in many categories, including scenic, fisheries, wildlife, botanical, shoreline, and cultural. Venture out and you'll discover hiking opportunities as close as Burnt Jacket Mountain, Big Moose Mountain, or Lily Bay State Park. Moosehead Lake and Maine's North Woods are legendary hunting and fishing territories where you can stalk big game like moose, black bear, and white-tailed deer, or fish the cool, clear, and deep waters for brook trout and landlocked salmon. You can also enjoy boating, sailing, water skiing, and tubing on a warm summer day. Or you can take advantage of the hundreds of miles of snowmobile and ATV trails from your doorstep. Beyond these outdoor amenities, consider all of Maine's North Woods as your own 2.8 million acre backyard. Now is the perfect time to consider the opportunity, as nearly half of the entire shoreline of Moosehead Lake is owned by the state of Maine and therefore protected from future development. Our established subdivision is your chance to own a piece of the beauty that is Burnt Jacket at Moosehead Lake.